This conference will now be recorded.
This video I am showing about creating and editing test files. So topics are input output redirection, basics of VI editor, and how to create variables. So in Linux, we have input and output and error is there. So how the standard input we are giving to a Linux operating system? We are giving the standard input using keyboard or mouse. We know that output we are getting in monitor, and we can get the output in printer also we can get. And when we are running a command, we will get, sometimes we will get error message. So the error message also it is coming to the output, so it is coming in the monitor. So there is a numbers, 0 is for input, 1 is for standard output, and 2 is for standard error. So another numbers 3 4 5, this all are we can we have. So I am going to show some standard output. So when I just run ls command, so I will go to one folder, cd boot folder. So I'm going inside the boot folder, and when I do ls command, we can see the I'm just showing an ls command we are seeing. So we can see that the ls command output we are seeing, the output we are getting from here. But what we can do is, we can standard input we are giving through keyboard and mouse, output we are getting in the monitor. So we can redirect this output. So ls command we can redirect to so in tmb folder file 1. So what is happening? The output we are redirecting to a test file. So this standard output I am redirecting to a test file. So when I do ls command, it is not showing in the screen, but we can see that it is going inside a file. So I can go to tmb folder. Inside the tmb folder, we can see one file is there, file 1 is there. So if I want to open the vi file, I can use cat file 1. I can see the content of the file. Cat is a command to see what is inside a file. So when I do this, we can see that it is showing the output. So ls command output we are redirecting. So any command output we can redirect. For example, when I do calendar command, so calendar is showing in the screen. So when I redirect this to a file, so I am going to redirect this output to a tmb directory file to I am going to redirect to file 2. So output is not coming here, but when I open, I can open, see when I do ls command, we can see this file 2 is there. So I can open file 2, and we can see that this output. So for calendar output is coming inside this file now. So now we have output. We can see that it is going into the we can see the output. Now if I go to one command, I am just giving a command like tpm command we are doing. So we can see that when I do this command, it is not the output. So whatever we are seeing here, it is not an output. It is basically called a error message. So error message, it is a error message also coming to the screen. So now what I can do, if I do this cd tpm, and when I do redirect to file 3, so nothing will go to file 3 because output is not there. So if I do file 3, uh, so tmb is okay. So if I want to run this command, so for example cd tpm, so I will get a error message. So when I do this command, I redirect this output to file 4. So nothing will be there in file 4 because still the error message is coming to this screen. Because error message we cannot redirect like this. So error message we want to redirect, we have to give like 2 greater than. So the error message we are redirecting to file 5 or something. So what will happen when I run this command? I am getting a error, I am redirecting to file 5. So I can open the cat file 5 command, I can open. So we can see this so we can see ls. So there is a file y5 is created. What is inside the file 5 means whatever error messages are showing here. So I will show another example. So I will log in as a root user. So I can give su hyphen or a sudo su hyphen command I can give for login as a root user. So currently I am a root user. So I am using a command. So I'm going to cd / I'm going to the root directory. So I'm giving a command find hyphen name password. So I'm going to search for the password file in the password file. So we can see that how many I am going to search for a file called a password file. So we can see how many password files are there. A lot of password files are there. So but I want to search in another way. I want to search for a file. What this command is doing? So I want to search in the etc folder. So inside the etc folder means the place where we are going to search. Inside the etc folder, I am going to search for a file with a name of password I am going to search. So we can see that inside the etc directory, there is 2 password files are there. So whatever output I am getting in the screen, I am getting. So we can redirect this to a TMB directory. We can redirect to TMB directory. So I'm going to save it as file 7 or something. So whatever output I can redirect to this file. So I can open this cat TMB directory file 7 I am opening. So I can see that whatever output we can see here. So when I do one more time, if I do this command, it will overwrite the file. But what I can do, if I do this 2 greater than, what will happen? It will append. It will add it to the end of the line. So I am doing appending. So I am doing one more time appending. So now if I open this file, we can see that this file is coming 3 times. It is getting. So why we are getting 3 times? Because this 2 greater than means it is appending. So I can also give a command echo welcome. So what is echo welcome is showing, it will whatever we are typing after echo command, it will show on the screen. But I can redirect this to one file, tmb directory file name. So I can redirect this welcome command to this file. So I can open this cat tmb file name. We can see that this welcome is coming here. So I can just give one more message. When I do this welcome good morning I am giving. So if I do this, what will happen? It will override the existing file. So if I do greater than means it will add or append to the end of the line. So I'm giving good morning, also this one I am giving. So now if I try to open this file, we can see that 2 lines are showing. This way input output redirection is working. So I do one more example. So I'm going to log in as a regular user. So I am not a root user now. I give an exit and I went to the EC2 user. So it's a regular user, just a username. So now I want to give a command find -etc -name password. So I am going to search for a etc directory. I am going to search for the name password. So we can see that there are a lot of messages are coming. So we can see the original output is this one and this one is the original output. But this all are permission denied means this all are the error messages. So we are getting lot of error message and the real output is these 2 files. So I want to redirect my output to one file. So what I am going to do is, so I'm going to redirect my output to out file. So I'm going to output, I'm redirecting to the out file now. We can see that the error messages are coming in the screen, but output is showing in output we redirect to a file. So what that means is when you do ls, we can see there is one out file is there. We can open the out file and we can see that output is coming to this file. So now what I do, I will change this option. I'm going to redirect my error message to greater than error I am giving. So I'm going to redirect my error message to greater than means we can see that the 2 means error in the picture. So when I do this 2 greater than, error is going to the error file. Just this is a file name file name error file means you can give anything, file1, file2 or anything. So but still you can see the output is coming to the screen, but error is going to this file. So when we can see the ls command, so there is one error file is created. So we can open this error file. So whatever error messages all came to this file. So that way, if you want to redirect output, we can give greater than. If you are giving 2 greater than, error will be redirected. So now there is another command. So we want to ignore the error message. So we are giving output. I am redirecting to the out1 file, but I can give 2 greater than. I can give error. I want to go to error1 file. So what it will do? Output will go to the output out1 file. Will go to the error1 file. So nothing is coming in the screen, but you can see there is 2 files are there. Error1 having my errors are there, and out1 is having the output is there. But another command I can use is, so I don't want the error message, I want to cancel or nullify my error message. So I can give 2 greater than, and I am giving a dv null means, so it will not save to anywhere. So it will not go to a file, or it will not go to the screen in nullifying or canceling the error message. So anytime we don't want to get the error message in the screen, so output will come to the I am giving out to file, some file, this is just a file name, out to file, output will come. So error message we are nullifying. So we can see that out to file will come, out to file will come. But this is not a file name, so it is just cancelling or nullifying the error message. So now we have option, both we redirected output and we redirected error. So now I want to redirect both. So I'm going to redirect my error and output into same file. So I can give a option. So this ampersand this one greater than, and I am giving file 11. So what it is showing is, whatever the error and whatever by the output, both will go to this file 11. So we can see that file 11 is there. We can open the file 11. We can see that error is also there, output also went to this file. So you can give like this. So again we want to append it, we can give one more greater than, it will append. So when we do this, if you it will append. So we can see the file in the, again it is adding 2 times. So we can see the output and everything we are redirecting. So input redirection also we can give. For example, when I do ls-a, so I have one file I am having dot bashrc, some file I am having here. So this file I am going to open, cat dot bashrc command I am going to do. So this is the this is, I am having one locally, I have one file, hidden file I am having in my system. So this file I want to do input redirection. So what I am going to do is, I am going to do use this file dot bashrc, and I am going to show input redirection.
This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
So now I am showing input redirection. So when we see ls, it is showing all the files. When I do ls-a, it is showing hidden file. So I have one hidden file I am having. So when I do cat dot bashrc, so this is a showing a some file it is showing, but it is all in the small case. So I am going to give a command like this. So what it is doing is, it is giving, I am using a command called tr, character translation. Small letter I am changing to capital letter. But input is cat.bashrc. The input I am redirecting. Piping means output of, this is the pipe symbol. output of one command, we are going to give input of second command. So when I do this command, what it will do, it will make this file fully capital. So input redirection we are doing. So another example is I have one file I am having, Linux one file I am having here, Linux one file. So this file I am opening, cat Linux one. So we can see it is a small case, but I want to make it uppercase, means I am going to use opening this file, and I am going to do output redirection I am going to give. So I'm going to give this file Linux one, and I am giving character translation I am going to do. So it will show the uppercase. So we can do input redirection also we are seeing. So another option is pipe symbol. So when I do ls ls user directory, so we can see all the user directory. So ls bin directory, so it will showing the bin directory. So there are, sorry, ls bin, so ls bin directory, it will show all the file in bin directory, but it is also not showing all the file. So we can give a ls bin directory. So the output I want to give it to the less command. So the output of the first command I am going to give as a input of the second command. So it is a redirection we are doing. So what it is doing is, so output of a first command we are going to give as a input to the, this is the first command, second command. So in between we are using the pipe symbol we are using. So it is a we are using the pipe symbol. So we can see this pipe symbol we are giving using. So this is a command one output, output we are giving as a input to the second command. So that is we are doing. So the output is going here like this, it is going. So we are seeing this output of the first command is going for input of the second command. So it will be, we can see that previously previously also we used this command. So we are seeing that tr command we are using. So the cat linux output is going to the second, this is the second command. So now we can see another command like t command. So what it is doing is ls hyphen l bin directory. So I want to show that I want to send this to a pipe symbol. I am giving a t. So I will go to root home directory. So I'm giving ls hyphen l. I am going to do the bin directory I want to see. So and I am giving output output of this command. I want to go to one file 555. Some file I just given a file name file 5, and the output of this command is going to the file only, but same time we want to see in this another screen also. We are giving less means output we are sending to the file as well as it will come to the screen also. When I do this command, we can see that
This conference will now be recorded.
so now I am showing the t command. So first I am going to one directory, bin directory. So when I am giving this command ls hyphen l, so the output we are sending, t command means we are sending to this file also we are sending. Same way it will send to the output also we are sending. So when you do this command, we can see that output is showing in the screen, and we can also give ls, go to tmp directory and check, and we can see that one out5 file is created. So the output is going to that file also. We can check that file also. We can see the out from there also we can see. So this session we discussed about input output redirection mainly. Thanks for watching.